Welcome. If you're looking to share your thoughts on someone else's tweet using the latest version of X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to repost a tweet with a quote on your PC, making sure your comment stands out alongside the original post. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on Home. This will take you straight to your main feed, where you can see the latest posts from people you follow. Now, scroll through your feed and find the tweet you want to share with your own comment. When you spot the tweet, look just below it for a set of icons. Find the one that looks like two arrows forming a square. This is the repost icon. Click on it. A menu will pop up with two options, repost and quote. To add your own thoughts, select quote. This will open a new window with the original tweet displayed and a text box above it where you can type your comment. This is your chance to add context, share your opinion, or start a conversation with your followers. You can also add hashtags, mention other users, or include links if you want to make your post more engaging. Once you're happy with your comment, simply click Post. That's it. Your followers will now see your comment along with the original tweet, all in one post. Reposting with a quote is a great way to amplify interesting content while adding your unique perspective. Try it out next time you find a tweet worth sharing, and watch your engagement grow. Thanks for joining in. Happy posting.